So on the cosine rule, we're going to proceed, and today we're going to be dealing with angles. So you can find the angle of a non-right angle triangle when you have been given three sides, and this is only taken into consideration when you're using the cosine rule. So if you're using the cosine rule to calculate the angle in a triangle, you're supposed to be given the three sides. So that's the requirement. So here the three sides are supposed to be given. So three sides supposed to be given in the equation. And if you remember very well, we said that the formula that we had written, we said if you remember very well, we said that our formula can be written in this way: a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a is what we said. And we said that if we have been given a non-right angle triangle in this way, and if this is a, if this is b, and if this is c, this means that this is small letter a, this is small letter b, and this is small letter c. So when we are using the cosine rule, we use this formula. But imagine that all these three sides we have been given. We have been given a, small letter a, we have been given small letter c, and small letter b. And for example, if you have been told to calculate the angle at b, or at c, or at a, so this is what we are going to be doing in today's video. So for example, if you have been told to calculate the angle at a, the first thing that we're going to do is to transpose negative 2bc cos a to the other side of the equation. So when negative comes to the other side of the equation, it will be a positive, isn't it? So it will be 2bc cos a plus, here we already have a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared. And since here we need to get rid of a squared, this will go to the other side. And since this is positive, when it goes to the other side, it will become a negative. So this is going to be 2bc cos a is equal to b squared plus c squared minus a squared. Then the next thing that I'm going to do here is to divide both sides by 2bc and this side by 2bc. So this and this can cancel. So this means we're remaining with cos a is equal to b squared plus c squared minus a squared divided by 2bc. So this is the formula that we use when we are calculating the angle at a. What if we are calculating the angle at b? So if we are calculating the angle at b, we can say cos b is equal to, so in this case it will be a squared plus c squared minus b squared divided by 2ac. So you just get these first two letters that you have written on the bottom part. What if you are calculating the angle at point C? So this will be cos C is equal to a squared plus b squared minus c squared divided by 2. You get these two letters. So this will be 2ab. So these are the formulas that you need to know. And now we are going to look at an example. And for this example, we have triangle ABC. So let me just scroll this down. Okay, let me just put another page here. Okay, so I have this triangle as an example. This is too big. Okay. I have A here, then I have my B and my C here, then length AB, I know that this is 7 centimeters, and length AC, that's 6 centimeters, so this is centimeters, and length BC, that's 5 centimeters. And if I'm told to calculate the angle at point C, so the angle here at point C here, so this means I need to use that formula that has cos C. So I'll say cos C is equal to A squared plus B squared minus C squared divided by 2AB. Then I'll say cos C is equal to, let me place my small letters. I know that this is A, this is B, this is C. So my A here, I know that's 5. So that is going to be 5 squared plus B here, that's 6 squared minus C. What's my C? My C is 7. So 7 squared divided by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 6. So that is going to be cos C is equal to, so if you punch on the calculator, 5 squared plus 6 squared minus 7 squared, that is going to give you 12. So this is 12 divided by, if you punch on the calculator, 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 6, that's 60. And to calculate the value of C here, you can say the inverse of cos inverse of 12 divided by 6. So here I'll say the angle at C is equal to cos inverse of 12 divided by 60, sorry, not divided by 6 but 60. So here C is equal to cos inverse of 12 divided by 60, that's 78.46. So this is 78.46 degrees. So here I can say the angle at C is equal to 78.46 if I round off to 2 decimal places. So this is how you find the angle of a 9 right angled triangle using the cosine rule. Where you have questions, please ask in the group. So we're going to look at the next thing, which is area. So we'll be looking at the next thing, which is area, and this will be area of a non-right angled triangle. So I've said we'll be looking at area. So this is of a non-right angled triangle. So let us draw our triangle again. the simple triangle. So if this is A, this is B, this is C, you have everything like that. So this means that this is small letter A, this is small letter B, and this is small letter C. And the formula that we use when calculating area is, for example, if you have been given the angle at point A, we are going to say area is equal to half multiplied by, we are going to get the B here, the small letter B and the small letter C. So this will be BC sine the angle that you have been given in the question, which is A. So this is the formula that you use when you have been given the angle at A. What if you have been given the angle at B? So if the angle here is at B, we can say half. So this will be half AC, half AC sine B for the angle that you have been given. What if you have been given the angle at point C? So this will be area is equals to half, since the angle is here, so which means half A B sine C. So these are the formulas that you need to take into consideration. Let us now look at an example. So for example 1, I have the triangle in this way. Then this is 3 meters. Then have 4 meters here. So here I have triangle XYZ, where angle YZX is 120 degrees and the length XZ is 4 meters and the length YZ is 3 meters. And if I'm told to calculate the area of this non-right angled triangle, I need to consider the angle that have been given here, which is at point Z. So I'm going to say area is equal to half. So I've been given the angle at point Z, so which means I'm going to get this part and this part. So this, I know that this is small letter y, this is small letter x, and this is small letter z. So this means going to be half yz, half yz, half yx, sorry, it will be half yx sine z, because the angle here is at point z. So here we know that area is equal to half y. What is y here? Y, we know that's 4. So multiplied by 4 multiplied by x is 3 multiplied by sine the angle that is at z is 120. So if you punch that on the calculator, if you say 1 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by sine 120 divided by 2, the answer is going to be 5.20 cubic 5.20 squared centimeters. So here I'll say area is equals to 5.20 squared centimeter or centimeter squared. So this is the area of triangle XYZ. Let us look at the other example. So example 2, the 9 right angled triangle is in this form. So this is C, this is A, this is B. So this is small letter A, small letter B, and this is small letter C. And the angle here have been given as 52 degrees. Sorry about that, let me just check the answer. I've already deleted it, but I think I haven't made any mistake. Alright, we proceed. So the angle here is 6 centimeters. The angle here is 4 centimeters. And if I'm told to find the area of this non-right angle triangle, I would say area is equal to half AC. This would be half AC sine B. Since I've been given the angle at point B here, so it will be half AC sine B. So I know that this is half multiplied by the length A here is 6, so 6 multiplied by the length C is 4 multiplied by sine B, the angle at B, that's 52. So we can say area is equal to, so if you punch out the calculator, 1 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 4 multiplied by sine 52 divided by 2, that is going to give you 9.46 cubic centimeters. So this is going to give you 9.46 squared centimeters. Sorry, not cubic. Cubic is the measurement of volume, but this is 9.46 squared centimeters. And I think for the first example I said squared centimeters, it was supposed to be meters because the length we are given in meters. So that's all about area. Where you have some difficulties, you can ask the questions in the group. Thank you.